All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to obviously do a little bit of review of some money counting. Now, really want to work on some strategies to use and to really help you on when you're counting coins. Now, since you're not able to move the coins around your around your screen, I have already printed a paper, I have a paper here, rather that has those coins in sequential order going from the largest value all the way to the smallest value. Again, not the size because of this little guy, the dime, actually the smallest coin that we use, but has a greater value than both the nickel and the penny. So remember, if you have a pile of coins, get those sorted by value. It's always best to go from greatest value all the way down to the least of value. And again, another great thing to do is if you've got a paper and a pencil, even if you've doing a worksheet, whatever it is, you can always write those values down. Now, a couple ways you could do that. Some people like to go ahead and label the top of every coin with how much it is. That is one possibility for you. And then you can go ahead and count 25, 50, and you're just going to have to remember with those quarters, 25, 50, if we've got 3, it's 75, 4 quarters would be $1. So 25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So we are at 58. And this box is a little small, so I'm going to put the cent mark right there. Okay, so one way to do it is you want to label every coin with its value and then count it from there. I've also seen kids do it in a way in which they kind of add or they write the running total of those coins. So for instance, they would have 25, and they know that 2 quarters would get them to 50. And they've learned that 25, 50, 75, $1 routine. So 25, 50, 3 quarters makes 75. And like we did the other day, practicing counting by 10. So we're at 75. That's going to get us to 85. 5 more is going to get us to 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So we're getting that 94 cents. All right. Now you're going to get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. If you need to stop the video, go ahead and do that and come on back. Now I know you don't have the coins with you, but one thing you can do on your paper is if you look at these and you see, all right, on Mr. T's screen, I see 2 quarters, a nickel, and 3 pennies. Okay, so we could act like this is your area over here. You could actually write 25 on your paper and then write another 25. And then you could write a 5. And then you could do the 3 pennies. So on your paper, even if you don't have the pictures of the coins, you can kind of write them like that, and then you're all set. So we have 25, 50, so there's 50, 55, and then I'm just going to go 55, 56, 57, 58, and that's going to get us to that 58 cents. Interesting. We had 58 up here and 58 here. Yep, they made the exact same one on this worksheet. Interesting. All right, so let's look at number 4 right here. On your piece of paper, what I want you to do, just like I did over here, making the value with the circle around it for the coin, I want you to do that for a 3 quarters, a nickel, and 3 pennies. You're going to pause the video. When you start it back up, you'll have your answer. All right, so hopefully you have that 25, 50, 75. Now we've got to switch our brain. We've got 5 more, 75. That's going to get us up to 80, 81, 82, 83. And just to save a little time, I'm going to do it like that. And now we have those 83 cents. All righty. Now on the next page, you're going to have a little quiz on money. You're going to have pictures of the coins just like you see here. On your piece of paper, hopefully you're going to go ahead and record like this, and you can get that quiz completed. All right, good luck on that. Thanks.